Hi everyone, dress myself. Welcome back to Crochet Rocks. It's Tracy, and I've got another little yarn haul to show you. And I've just realised I put my necklight down somewhere, and I'm not sure where it is. So it's probably buried under a pile of yarn or in another room entirely. We'll try and muddle through without it. Oh, it's going to be difficult. So this is King Cole, and I've got a fair amount of King Cole. It arrived in a humongous, well, 2 boxes. I've managed to steal some of it for me and make it 1 box somehow, although there's probably more that I might steal. I don't know what it is. King Cole as a pack size comes in 6s, so every other yarn company comes in 5. So I just figured if I took one out of each pack, I could upload them as 5, just the same as everyone else, and the others could be mine. That's what that was my logic. Anyway, I did need some of this yarn, and perhaps I might need some more of certain parts of it for my project, but we'll have to see. So I also ordered a couple of patterns, which I would like your opinions about patterns at the end. So hopefully you can help me out with something. So first off, I wanted a cotton because I'm making a blind, and I also wanted some cotton to put on my website for when it's launched for my business Hobby Rocks, which is not just a yarn store, but it does predominantly sell yarn. Sorry about the itching, it's hay fevery, I think, or I don't get hay fever, but you know, allergy symptoms. I've been doing stuff around the house, and some things really flare it up. So I've not got a cold or anything like that. I'm just making my nose red, I know. Anyway, let's get on with the yarn. Stop babbling about other stuff. So I chose Cotton Smooth to have a look at this time round, and it's a DK weight, although look at the size of the strand, does seem quite thin, but because it's cotton it will probably work up. It does tend to work up a little bit bulkier than it actually looked. These are 100-gram balls. They look like other company's 50-gram balls, but they are 100 grams. And where's my necklight when you need it? This, I'm gonna find it. Hang on a second. I figured I must have buried it under all the yarn. So we're going to use a phone's flashlight, so it'll work just as well, honestly. Oh, a bit bright, but this is upside down. Wouldn't be me if it wasn't upside down, would it? This is called, the colour is Sun 3529. Oh, it's really sunny, isn't it? Making me look yellow, in fact, it's that sunny. Where's the rest of the bump? Here it is. 100% mercerized cotton, and it's 218 yards, 200 meters. So we don't need all the meters and yards anymore. I got a whole pack of Sun, so I've got 2 of those, 2 100-gram skeins for me, and I've lost my box that I was putting it in. Moved it out the way. Boxes 7 miraculously appeared. Wow, isn't that good? It's magic of camera, magic of telly, as they say. 2 in the white. I guess it's got a name like, yeah, white. 3520 white. I've got a feeling I'll need more white than this, so I've got lots more. And then I got 2 of this really, really beautiful pale kind of yellowy cream, and where's the colour there? Is it upside down? Probably. No, in my luck. This is called Ecru, 3521 Ecru, same gubbins as before. Then I got this really beautiful kind of sea breeze kind of green. Wonder what that's called. Let's see. It's called Aqua 3527. It's lovely, that colour. I really like that. I might need, I should probably be okay with 200 grams of that for the things I want to do. It's kind of going to be making a blind for the bathroom. So it's going to be predominantly white, and there'll be pictures like nautical pictures. So there might be a boat, there might be a lighthouse, there might be a rubber ring, you know, life preserver, like lifesaver, not preserver. That's something. No, maybe it is, I don't know. You know, rubber ring as we call it. This one is called Silver 3525. It's a nice silvery grey. 200 grams of that. Obviously I've got a whole pack should I need to fall back on it, and I've got this lovely kind of mink colour. I think I should name yarn. I come up with better names than they do anyway, because this is called Latte 3524. Latte, very milky one, lovely sheen to it. And then I've got navy blue. Oh, that's got a lovely sheen as well, isn't it? Isn't that beautiful? Like really shiny. Oh, so good. I love yarn. And this is called Navy 3528, which obviously it is navy blue. I love the smell of yarn. It's just got a, to me, it's got a kind of a chemically but nutty smell. You know what I mean? That's blue. Then we've got some really pretty pink. Look at the shine. Oh, that looks so good. Looks so good. Okay. This one's called Pale Pink 3522. I'm sorry about the deathly horrible glow every 5 minutes, but as I'm doing this, I was hoping that the neck light would appear, and it's not. I might have left it in another room. I did look, but I couldn't find it. So pink. And then I've got this beautiful, beautiful lilac. Oh, doesn't it look lovely in that colour? It does. That is so nice. So yummy. This one's called Lilac 3526. All of these will be in Hobby Box shop. Then this beautiful light blue. And I think it's just called Pale Blue, as I remember. Pale Blue. Yep. 3523. Pale blue. So that was my cotton that I bought. I did want to get some cotton finesse silk. This was my bill, not bill, but you know, invoice. So I need to go through that because there were a lot of things sadly out of stock, which I've got an £80 credit for. So yeah, need to go through that and make sure what I have got. And then I got, I'll show you those in a sec. Put them down there. And I decided I thought they were coming to an end with Calypso yarn, which was quite sad because I liked it, and it prompted me to do a giveaway for Calypso and get rid of my Calypso because I thought I won't be able to add to it. But guess what, they're not getting rid of it at all, and they have expanded the range to be lots of other colours. Now they used to have a really beautiful yarn, which was a really quite odd roving yarn, and it was really thick in some places, really thin in others, and they called it a lace yarn, but it was beautiful and had some lovely colours. And I think they've switched a few of those colours to the Calypso because I love this. Look how ridiculously soft Calypso is. It is just, well, oh, willowy soft. Willowy is the word. Getting that light back again, guys. This is called St. Lucia, and it's 4257. Now these are all named after Caribbean islands and things because it's called Caribbean Calypso, this particular range. I've got ordinary Calypso and then this Caribbean. 97% premium acrylic, 3% polyamide, 306 yards, 280 meters, 100 gram ball, and machine washable to 30 degrees. And I've got a few packs of the orange, so where I took 2 out of each, I've got 4 of this orange. Should I need more, obviously I can fall back on it and order more, but 4 orange. What was it called? Did I actually tell you what it was called? I don't think I might. Oh yeah, St. Lucia. So I've got 4 St. Lucia, and then I got a couple of this in the blue. This is pretty, but as I say, the same dimensions, for want of a better word, really. But which Caribbean place is this? I think this is Antigua. Yep, 4255 Antigua, place I really would like to go. I can't believe how soft that is. It's the softest softest yarn I've ever felt in my life. So then I got this colour, and oh, isn't it just dreamy? As you can see, I got a couple of packs of this one. So 4 of them are now mine, but should I need more, obviously, yada yada yada. So this is just ordinary Calypso, this one, not Caribbean. So this is part of the ordinary. See, the word Caribbean is missing. So this is just ordinary. They're all DK. Sorry, I didn't tell you that, did I? Now, this is called Spearmint 2759 Spearmint, and I think 306 yards, 280 meters. Yeah, everything else is actually the same. So what I like about it is just so the texture and the colors, the way they marble like that. Yeah, it's just so beautiful. It's beautiful. Oh, I won't sing. Oh, everybody switches off. Then I got 4, because obviously 2 packs of pink. Look how gorgeous, and I mean gorgeous, that is. So let's just keep one and put the others in the little box. Oh, look at that. That is like marshmallows, isn't it? Marshmallows in a ball of yarn, and it's called Pink Fizz. It should be called Marshmallow, which is missing a trick. 2758. Look at that though. Honestly, that is beautiful. That is really, really lovely, and it's kind of got this crinkly vibe. I really like it. I'm a big fan of Calypso. Anyway, those are all the Calypsos that I bought this time round. And then I decided I wanted to try the new Tropical Beaches DK. And the ones that I loved the most were all out of stock, because it has taken them by surprise just how popular this yarn has been. I've noticed I've got a little sticky bit there. That's it, it's come off now. But it has been crazy, and though the few that they had left I got a few of. Now I didn't realise this at the time, because usually they're 100 grams and they come in a pack of 12, but this came in a pack of 6 because they are 200 gram skeins. So they're nice and big, and they are beautiful and soft. They are absolutely lovely. So they're 200 grams. They are 70% premium acrylic, 30% polyamide, 557 yards or 510 meters. And this one is called Banana Beach 5155. And I got a few of these. Where's my other banana? There, I think this is Banana Beach. Yep, they're identical. So I got a couple of those. And I'm not sure if this is another Banana Beach because of the way it's wound, but I think it is. So, yep, I've got three 200 gram skeins. And then this one is, oh, look at those colours. Isn't it just amazing? Oh, it's called Parrot Beach 5156. Nice and bold on the yarn band, so I can read it without a light. Isn't that great? But again, 200 grams, Parrot Beach. Isn't it beautiful? Look at that. Absolutely stunning beyond words. So I got 1, 2, 3 for me. Oh, unless I want more, of course. Okay, so then this, I got some patterns. Oh, sorry about that. Sticky tape. But the patterns that I got were for the beaches. Right, I'm going to stop that happening again. There we go. They were the beaches, and I decided these are, I think, knitted patterns, but because I like the look of them, I got, and you have to buy them in packs. So this is one pack, and it is a really lovely short-sleeved top. And I don't know why this is on the back. I don't believe that pattern's in there as well. I think it is just that jumper, a short-sleeved t-shirt kind of thing. Lovely. And then I decided, right, I wanted the long sleeve. Now these are knitted, these patterns, but I think there's one missing out of these. It's supposed to be 3. We'll have to see. So this is one that's long sleeve, very similar in a way, but long sleeve. And then, oh, maybe not there. I'll have to see. I think there is just one missing, you know. It could be stuck together, I guess. There we are. Now, maybe there's two. Yep, there's two different ways you can make it. They're showing it in this particular, I think that must be Banana Beach. And then they're showing it in this one. So this is the other one, like a tank top, but nice and loose fitting. So those are just the 3 different ones that I got this time. But the reason I'm asking some help with patterns is because in my Stylecraft little yarn haul, I showed you some crochet patterns that I got, and these are obviously knitted patterns. Now most websites, when you go to them and you click on patterns, most of them are knitted, and that's because there are way more knitted patterns out there. But I'm not just going to sort of stock every pattern under the sun, if you know what I mean. I want to be a little bit more discerning and have quite a lot of crochet, turning my light off now, quite a lot of crochet patterns as well as the knitted patterns. So I'm kind of asking your help, which ones you think would be the better ones to choose. What would you like to see patterns of? Would you like to see a lot of knitting, a lot of crochet? Would you like to see predominantly things like dresses, shawls, jumpers, whatever? Just tell me what you like. Bags, you can choose anything. There's so many patterns out there to choose from. And I need some guidelines, really. I know I've got an eye, and I liked the look of these, and I could see my kids in them. Well, not the boys, obviously, but you know, their other halves, and Charlotte I could see in them. And so when I pick them, I kind of pick them with family in mind. But you know, I just thought it would be kind of cool if I could get some opinions on those patterns, and it'll help me choose some. And also I need obviously baby ranges, so there's very few decent crochet patterns, isn't there? Well, there's more now than there ever used to be. But I hope you like the yarn I chose, and well, I have no idea where I'm going to put my part of it, my little portion. Not so little, I know. But thank you for watching. Stay safe, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.